How to set up a Pinterest business account on Android. This tutorial shows you how to convert your existing Pinterest account into a business account on your Android device. First, open the Pinterest app on your Android device and make sure you're logged into your account. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile. From there, tap on your profile icon again at the top left corner of the profile page to open your settings. At this point, you'll land directly on your account settings page. In the next step, tap on Account Management at the top of the settings screen. Following this, you'll see your current account details along with an option that says Convert to a business account. Once done, tap on Convert to a business account to begin the process. From here, read through the description and tap on Convert Account to proceed. At this stage, enter your profile name or business name in the field provided and tap Next to continue. After this, you'll be taken through a series of setup steps. If you have a website, add it here or simply skip it. Once completed, select the category that best describes your business and tap Next to continue through the remaining steps. Finally, once all the steps are done, your Pinterest account will be fully converted into a business account, and you can visit your profile to confirm the change. And that's it. If this guide helped you set up your Pinterest business account, give it a like, subscribe for more social media tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.